So, your Citroen C4 clutch master cylinder has failed and it needs replacing. It looks quite a difficult job, but in this video we'll show you the real easy way to do it. It's located on the bulkhead just behind the engine. In order to access it, we need to remove quite a few parts. Starting at the very top, we need to remove the top panel. This is done by removing the wiper arms. There is a 16mm nut under the plastic cover. Remove the two T30s from the brake reservoir. This cover will now lift away. It will be a little bit tight near the windscreen. It just unclips. Remove the bolts holding the lower panel and then pull this out. Now you will see you have plenty of space and will be able to easily access the clutch master cylinder. Pop off the top cover off of the engine and then remove the two little screws at the back and remove this cover. Using a suitable pick like this one, you will be able to remove the multi-plug, the feed pipe and also the clip that retains the hydraulic pipe. To stop brake fluid going everywhere, it's worthwhile putting a bolt or something in the feed pipe. The clip faces upwards and will slide downwards. Once this is removed, the hydraulic pipe will just pull out. Now that's everything removed from under the bonnet. From inside, we will need to remove the clutch pedal, and this is how it's done. Pop off the trim cover and then remove the torque screws holding the inner trim panel on, and then lower and move out of the way. Pop off the ducting too. Now you will be able to see the clutch pedal assembly. This is probably the most difficult part of the job. The clip here needs popping off on the left and the right hand side. Then once it is unclipped, it will lift away once the 4 bolts on the clutch pedal have been removed. The complete clutch assembly will now lift out of the vehicle. I was a little unlucky with this clip and I broke it. Hopefully for you, you won't. So you can see with it removed, this is where and how it sits. Now all that remains to do is get some pipe pliers and twist the master cylinder. The clips line up and then it will slide outwards. And here's the old and the new unit. To refit, push the new unit in and twist and lock in place. And for the tricky part, place the clip back on the master cylinder bowl and then with a little bit of persuasion pop it on, and then it should function as intended. Before you put the remaining parts back on, I would recommend bleeding up the clutch to check it operates fine. To bleed, this pipe has a 2-stage position. If you squeeze the clip and pull the pipe, it will pop out ever so slightly, allowing you to bleed the clutch. Then once bled, push back in until it clicks. Now you should have a satisfactory clutch pedal. All that's left to do now is rebuild in reverse order. Why not check out some of these other great videos? This has been how to fix it. We'll catch you on the next one.